The electric motor sizing calculator helps you determine the power and current requirements for your motor based on your specific application needs. Let's walk through the 4 input fields. First, enter your required torque in Newton meters. Next, input your speed in RPM. The third field is duty cycle as a percentage, which defaults to 100%, but can be adjusted from 1 to 100% depending on your application. Finally, enter your system voltage in volts. For this example, I'll enter 10 Newton meters for required torque, 10 RPM for speed. Keep the duty cycle at 100% and use 10 volts for voltage. After clicking Calculate Motor Requirements, the calculator provides 2 critical outputs. The motor power required shows 15.40 watts, which tells you the minimum power rating your motor needs to handle this load. The estimated current draw indicates 1.92 amps, essential for sizing your power supply and wiring. These values account for typical motor efficiency and help ensure you select components with adequate capacity for reliable operation. This calculator streamlines motor selection for your mechanical designs. Find the link in the description below.